it's Sriti from Lucky Girl. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to tell time on a digital clock. You see, last Tuesday, I posted a video called Analog Clock. This basically teaches you about how to put time on analog clock. And as you see, you can see the reflection of me in my iPad. This is so cool. And compared to any more video, that usually doesn't happen except my first one, so forget about that. Today, we're going to be learning time on digital clock. And speaking of that, there's a digital clock right in front of me. You're probably thinking how weird it is. It's actually my oven, and if I move it forward, boom, it happens. Pretty cool, right? So you see, if you watch that video, you probably remember this rhyme. 60 seconds equals a minute. 60 minutes equals an hour. Cool, right? So let's use that rhyme to help us. Forget about seconds again. Let's focus on the minutes and hours. You see the 6? It represents 6 hours. And the 4 and 41 represents the minutes. So it's 6:41. My friends. Anyways, speaking of 6:41, let me show you how. Remember, on the analog clock, this is the same thing on analog clock, written in numbers, and you don't use a clock. Digital clocks almost everywhere. There's one on I use this one because it's like the best way to make it in a YouTube video. So not 6:42 right immediately. Anyways, you see, my dog is blinking. If you see, for example, if there's a 7:42, if there's a 7 and a 4 and a 2, it's 7:42. It's the same thing as an analog clock, but it's just showing it in numbers instead of a clock. Isn't that cool, guys? And digital clocks are everywhere. They'll be on your phones and iPads, ovens, to tell you what time it is. So much more. And probably even on your refrigerator, like mine. There's so many places analog clocks can be. Even on timers, digital clocks, sorry about that. I still remember that other video. And you see, if I move backwards, it looks like an oven. If I move frontwards, it looks like it's right for you. So, you see my reflection? You see the time? That's all I have for today's video about how to tell time on digital clock. If you see, sorry about that. It's hard making this piece. If you like my video, please consider subscribing. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel.